Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Human society, if they do not follow the footprints of great acharyas, great saintly person, then there will be trouble. And that is happening actually. In the Bhagavad Gita, when Krishna and Arjuna was talking, so Arjuna presented the after effects of war, that women will be widows and there they will not be able to keep their character, and then adharma, irreligious principle will begin. So he said, he was arguing like this, that adharma bhi bhavat Krishna pradushanti kulastriya strishu dushtashu vasneya jayate vanasam. The Vedic civilization is varnashram dharma. If the varnashram dharma is not properly protected, then there will be population who are called varna sankara, mixed population. Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, that is the natural division. The society must be divided. Chatur varnam maya system, guna karma vibhaga. There is no need. The natural division, just like you have got natural division in your body, the head, the arms, the belly and the leg. Similarly, social division there is. Some of them are very intelligent class of men, and some of them are martial, spirited persons, and some of them are interested in trades and industry, and some of them are interested only for filling up the belly. So, this is natural division. Therefore, Krishna says, Chaturvarnam Maya system. If this Chaturvarna, this division, the most intelligent class of men, they should be trained up as Brahman, Samadama Titikha, Arjava, Jnanam, Vijnanam, Astikam, Brahma Karma Sabhav. The social division must be there. The most intellectual class of men, they should be engaged in studying the Vedas and acquire the knowledge and spread it to the human society so that they may be guided and do the needful for peaceful situation of the society. That is guidance. The Kshatriyas, they are meant for protecting the society. Military power or martial spirit, when there is danger, attack, they give us protection. Similarly, there must be a class of men for producing food grain and giving protection to the cows. Krishi Goraksha Vanijam Vaisyakarma Sabhava. And the rest of the people who cannot work as intellectuals or as martial spirited person or cannot take to production of food stuff, they should assist all these three classes of men, and they are called Shudra. This is the social division. So, this is called Varnashram Dharma. The word dharma is used. Dharma means occupational duty. The dharma does not mean some religious sentiment. No. Natural division and the occupational duty. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,